Hello there guys, I am Salt Baker the YouTuber, and today we're going to view this fake credit card. Yes guys, I said it, it's a fake credit card. Right here is not my actual name, it is not, but it says Visa. As you can see, this is a fake credit card and comes with extra lock picking tools. I got that for Christmas. My own lock picking. It came from my own lock picking set. And yes, this is also from my lock picking set. You got a tension wrench or a lever. Got the half diamond. Got the hook. Comes with the hook. Also has a rake. And the, what do you call this? So, yeah. This is a fake credit card that comes with 5 picks. If you know what that looks like, subscribe. Yes, it is another lock picking kit in a credit card. Subscribe.